Becoming Abiding Heart's Contemplative Parenthood Corner is about nurturing parents as they walk this incredible path of being parents. As many parents have asked us to create something that is for them, that comes from both the Buddhist and the Waldorf approach, we finally has reached a point where we were able to create something that brings both traditions together and really is there for parents. We created several different workshops based on parents of children of different ages, of different developmental phases, because we realized that a parent of a toddler is dealing with different things than a parent who has an adolescent at home. It took us 2 years to build this program because we actually spent time having meetings with parents from different countries and different cultures, mothers and fathers, and also their children, and asking them, what are the areas you would like us to focus on? We have selected different themes for each workshop based on the areas parents are faced with in their journey of parenthood. And it manifests in many different variations depending on cultures and other socioeconomic backgrounds and how that manifests in the journey of parenthood. But what we found is that, yes, there might be also differences, but there are also a lot of common themes that parents are facing with joyful moments as well, and wonderful challenges that help parents grow as individuals, and at times also is overwhelming or confusing. And it is wonderful to be able to have space where parents from different countries, different cultures meet and share, and to come to the realization that what we face as parents, others are also facing. So feeling less alone and feeling that I could actually share in a space that is safe, where I'm not going to be judged, and having the Buddhist tradition, the Buddhist view of seeing reality and human development, understanding child development from the Steinerian perspective and neuroscience perspective and developmental science perspective, helps us to understand what is it that the child is asking of us. What is the child trying to tell us? And where is the child in their development phase? And how can we support the child? And having the wonderful meditation tools that Buddhism offers us, and wonderful contemplations that helps us to remain centered and grounded and open in wonderful moments of joy as our children grow and develop these wonderful, special, precious milestones, that we can be really truly present with our children, being there for our children without all the different spectrum of emotions, simply being with our children. And also in times where we feel challenged or tired, that we have wonderful meditation tools that help us to ground us, to keep our heart open and continue to develop bodhicitta, loving kindness and compassion for our children, for ourselves, for our family members, and for other parents as well. For us at Abiding Heart, what's important is to create this safe space for parents to be able to share, to listen, to co-learn together with one another and together with us, to meditate, to contemplate, and enjoy a little bit of art and movement